It's so pretty! Hello boogers! Welcome back to my channel! For today's vlog, I will be unboxing my new phone! I'm so excited to open this box! Story time. It took forever for me to get this phone because of some delays. So now it's here with me, and I want you to see how I open this very special box. By the way, it's the iPhone 12 Pro Max, 256 gigabytes. So, oh, I will open it now because I'm so excited. Another. Fudge! It's so pretty! Oh my gosh! So it's the gold one. Careful! Fudge. Stickers. Cord. I'm aware that there's no adapter inside. What the earphone? Nalimot ko. The pin. Stickers. Ah, only one only one sticker. And the iPhone user guide. There's no earphones, I forgot. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Look at that. Zoom in. I'll turn it on. I'm very happy because I waited for how many months, and now hola! I'm very sorry if my background so noisy. Loud house. In other words, loud house. Okay, hello. Swipe up to open. English. Okay, this video will just be short because I will have a separate video for the review. Okay, so thank you for being with me and unboxing my new phone. I'm so sorry if this is how I talk because I'm very excited, and so BRB, I will set up my phone. Thank you boogers, I love you. Mwah!
right there on top of the moon. We could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away.